All right, everybody, we are back with another Kobalt tool video. This time it's the Stubby ratcheting screwdriver, again by Kobalt. So let's open this baby up. As y'all know from my previous video, I got the electric screwdriver that's ratcheting. This one is very similar, has the different tips, but this is for spots where you don't have a lot of room to work with. So yeah, pretty cool. Just again, adding to the Kobalt collection that I have. Let me know if you have this or any other cool tools, and till next time.